What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2013 Honda Goldwing. This is a really nice bike. I personally really like the Goldwing. This is a pretty clean one, 2013, and we're gonna walk around this thing real quick. Start back here on the back. As you can see, get the exhaust sticking out there and there, in under the rear bags. And everything looks to be pretty clean back here. There's some light scuffing here. I think you maybe be able to see that in the video. It's not gouges, it's just like scuffs. It's kind of odd actually. It's almost like he cleaned it with like a Brillo pad or something. But otherwise looks pretty nice. Coming up here on top of the trunk, there's one scratch right there coming across on the Honda, right above the Honda logo. Other than that though, the trunk looks pretty clean, and got this big CB whip. I think it was actually a pain. I kept hitting my light while I was taking pictures of it. Coming over here on the side bags, there's some light scratching here and here, but again, not deep gouges or anything, just like just some light scuffs. You see the exhaust there. Looking good. See the tire underneath. The passenger floorboards. That's a good clean side panel. The seat looks super comfy. I was sitting in it while I was riding it a little bit. And got here. Again, no real marks here on the side panel. Maybe some little discoloration there where the seat touches. You got the driver floorboards. I know for you taller guys, the floorboards are a little bit of a pain. I'm 6'3". They are not my favorite. If you are a little on the taller side, you might want to look at getting pegs for this bike if you're going to pick it up. I mean, it is going to be priced to move. It's a really, really nice Goldwing. I actually really like the color. I have a 2008 Honda, and it's a very similar color. Got the highway pegs, make it nice for cruising. This bike's got about 20,000 miles on it, and you're going to put another 20, 30, 40,000 miles on it. These things run forever. It sounds really nice. We'll take a listen to that later here in the video. The vents coming around here, looking good here inside. The wheel well, no real markings or a little discolor. What's that? Oh, just a piece of dirt. Looking good. Coming up here in the rotors. Rotors are looking nice. Front tire is good. I mean, it's going to be usable, but it's going to need probably to replace here sooner rather than later, especially if you're shooting for that doubling up, getting another 20K on it. It does have the dual rotors up front. This front fender is really clean. I don't really know. It's interesting. The tiny little marks on this bike seem inconsistent, so it's not like this guy didn't take care of it. Maybe just rubbed up against something along the way. Coming up here, check out the headlights. Looking good. Got the nice windshield. That's a really nice windshield for on this bike. You're putting a lot of miles on. It's nice to have that big windshield on there. Again, we'll go down here along this side. Got the highway pegs just like on the other side. Got the Honda logo. I think this is one of the better logos that Honda did with that red background. All stuffed up today, sorry about that. The shift knobs does have the heel shifter. Again, there's the driver floorboard. Like I said before, floorboard is not my favorite because I'm a little bit on the taller side, but not something to detract from this bike, but just something to keep in mind if you're looking at it. Got the passenger floorboards. There's some light scratching here on this side panel. Again, like I said, it's like weird marks. I don't know if maybe that was where the boot would scrape or would rub climbing on and off the bike. Again, there's that super comfy seat. Got the nice backrest for the driver and for the passenger. The rear speakers compartment. Looks like this baby has heated seats and the intercom connector for the passenger helmet. Here's this, the rear bag. A little bit of marking right there. Again, there's a little bit of that looks like maybe it brushed up against a wall or something in a garage. It's just really light marks. There's not any deep gouges on it, just these light little scuffs. There you can see the exhaust coming across. Come up here on top. Again, let's see that seat. Nice, comfy seat. I like that thing. Trying to put a lot of miles on for, what's that thing called? The Idle Butts Club. Join that baby with this bike. I got the controls. Here you got everything for the CBs, the radio, volume, channels. All that stuff is right there. Your 4-ways. Going on this side. Seat adjust, preload suspension controls. Got all your cruise control, starter, kill switch. Everything up here on top. Turn this on. See it firing up. There you go, you can see the screen. 20,047 miles. Ready to put a bunch more on. There's your controls. We can fire this bad boy up so you guys can hear it run. Fires right up. Sounds very nice. Like I said, this is a really nice, a 2013 Honda Goldwing, and I really like this color. I really like the silver color. Everything sounds to be in tip-top shape. I believe it was very well maintained. Shut this off and we'll check out make sure all the signals work. Up here, hit the turn signal switch. The front signal there in the mirror. Come back here to the back. There's your rear signal underneath there. On the other side, here to the back. There's that. Coming up here to the front. There you go. I'm gonna shut these off. Guys, do not miss out on this bike. This is a 2013 Honda Goldwing. Don't miss the test drive video that Sean did. And this bike is not gonna last long, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, guys.